Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Nifty BN. We've got some sparkling results to cover today. Gadgil Jewellers has just released its Q2 FY26 numbers. Gadgil Jewellers has announced very strong unaudited financial results for the second quarter. The company reported a 117% year-over-year increase in EBITDA and, as mentioned, a 127.1% year-over-year growth in profit after tax. Let's break down those key Q2 financials. Revenue from operations climbed 8.8% YoY to nearly 2,178 crores. But the real story is in the profits. EBITDA, wow, jumped 117% to 142.9 crores and PAT soared 127% to 79.3 crores. That profit surge was driven by significant margin expansion. The Q2 EBITDA margin nearly doubled to 6.6% compared to 3.3% last year. The PAT margin also saw a strong increase to 3.6%. This translated to a basic EPS of 5.84, up from just 2.57 in the same quarter last year. Looking at the segment revenue growth in this bar chart, the growth was led by a massive 113% surge in e-commerce revenue. The franchise business wasn't far behind, growing 104.7%. The core retail segment also posted a solid 28.9% growth. The company specifically highlighted its performance excluding the volatile refinery segment. When looking at the core business, revenue growth was even stronger, posting a 31.4% year-over-year jump for the quarter and 30.9% for the first half of the fiscal year. Operationally, the company is seeing more customers and higher spending. Footfall increased by 20% and the transaction count grew by 18%. The average transaction value, or ATV, now stands at 90,000 and same-store sales growth was 29% over the previous quarter. Festive sales provided a major boost. PNGJL achieved its highest ever Navratri sales of 428.1 crores, which is a wow 66% increase over last year. Quarter over quarter, silver sales value grew 92% and diamond sales volume increased by 31%. PNG Jewellers is also expanding. They launched a new flagship store in Dadar, Mumbai and entered new markets in Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Management says they are optimistic about sustaining this momentum through the upcoming Diwali and wedding seasons. So, to sum it up, PNG Jewellers has delivered a very robust Q2. The story here is all about strong margin expansion and impressive growth in their core retail, e-commerce and franchise operations, leading to that 111.6% PAT growth for the first half of the year.